Good morning. It is a little after 8 a.m. now. I just finished my exercise class, started at 7, and now I just got home and we're going to have to get ready here real quick to go to our hike. We have a homeschool hike today, and so I'm getting all the exercise in today. The workout this morning, oh my gosh, they're always so intense. It's like HIIT workouts, so it's like all kinds of things like mountain climbers and burpees. And today we were doing like sumo squats where you jump back kind of like a burpee, and then you have weights and you come up and do a bicep curl, and then you put the weights down and you jump back like a burpee and then up. And anyways, that and like renegade rows that were like burpees also. And I mean, it's always just very intense. Like just holding up my arm here to hold my camera, I could feel it still because we did a lot of shoulder work today. So anyways, gonna go in, take a shower, get ready to go. I did have my True Endurance pre-workout this morning before I left. That always gives me like that extra edge. It gives me true endurance. That's the pre-workout formula by Jonathan Shane, which I absolutely love. So since I only have like an hour here at home, I'm going to take a shower and I'm probably just going to mix up a shake. I do keto chow with a scoop of prime protein that just bumps up the protein, gives me a really good start to my day with like 46 grams of protein. And so I'm going to do that for breakfast, and I'll be able to drink that in the car on the way to the hike. And then after the hike, I need to run to the store because we were talking on our live stream yesterday, which of course, when this video comes out, it will not have been yesterday, but our last live stream, me and Lindsay were talking about different holiday deals at stores, and some ads just came out yesterday with like prime rib roast on sale and New York roast on sale. And then I found New York steaks on sale as well. And even though we got a half of a cow this year, I'm still going to stock up on the fancy steaks because, you know, there's only a few fancy steaks on half a cow, and, you know, sometimes you just need more. So I'm going to go to the store and pick up all of those deals. Most of them are like limit one. And so I will get, you know, as many as I can. Going to try to do that after the hike, and we'll just bring you along. So for my shake, I did the chocolate keto chow, just plain chocolate with a scoop of the new iced coffee prime protein to make like a mocha shake. This is really good, by the way. The coffee flavor is really nice and smooth, not like super bitter. I really like it in my shakes. I have my measurements for the shake with the keto chow and the prime protein worked out so that it fits exactly into my quart jar. If I accidentally put too much ice or too much water, it doesn't quite work, but usually I get it right on. You ready for our hike?
Yeah.
You have your snacks all packed?
Yeah.
What did you bring for snacks?
2 meat sticks.
2 meat sticks?
And my friend.
And you made a happy face on our car, on our dirty, dirty car. All right, let's go hike. Jumping in real quick to say thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. I am sipping on my mint hot chocolate right now. I just did a serving of my dairy-free hot chocolate, and I added a half a stick. I just use a half a stick of the mint chocolate salt from the chocolate medley pack that is available for purchase right now. I just love being able to have my electrolytes in like a warm, cozy drink in this time of the year. I love all of the fruity flavors throughout. Well, I drink them throughout the whole year, but this time of year, I also love the hot flavors. They have the chocolate caramel salt, which is now available year round, which is fantastic. Then they have their regular chocolate salt that is always available. But right now, for a limited time during this winter season, they have the chocolate medley pack. It has the chocolate mint, like I have in my hot cocoa right now. And then it also has a chocolate chai and a chocolate raspberry. So right now, Element is offering a special deal for all of my viewers. If you go to my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo, and you place an order for anything on the website, including the medley pack, you will get a free sample pack with your order. And the sample pack contains all of their regular flavors, just so you can try them all out, see which ones you like best before ordering an entire box. All you have to do is use that link, go to the website, place your order, and you will automatically get the free sample pack. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring today. It really is sponsors like Element who make it possible for me to do what I do and to offer free content to all of you. So I really do appreciate it when you support the companies that support my channel. And what do you use it for, Charity?
I don't know. Just
directing the goats.
yeah, I actually do. Yes.
Yeah, it's like it's your goat staff. It's more like a shepherd staff.
Yeah, they're flowers.
They've logged a lot.
Yeah, no flowers anymore. Yeah.
Do you want to hear a joke? Sure. Why did the chicken walk the playground? Why? To get to the other slide. Oh.
What do you think about this, Levi? Oh, that's cool.
It didn't get moved.
Yeah. They don't know who built the Malala log house.
They broke it. They broke that and made a new one.
No, that's just a different one. That's Fort Worth Block House in Washington.
Okay. We'll go here.
Are we going anywhere else besides the other two places?
I don't think so.
Two places?
I was thinking maybe if Autumn's still at work, we could go see her at Starbucks. And then we got to go to Safeway and Fred Meyer to pick up the deals.
And mangoes, here, Mom.
It's not season for mangoes, dear.
Oh, come on.
Fred Meyer. But we're going to go into Starbucks first and see if Autumn's here. Do you see her? Autumn had already left work. She opened this morning, so she started early. But I still was able to get my coffee. Half decaf, just having occasional caffeine these days. So they have the New York roasts for $15.99 a pound. That's too much. And they have the ribeye roast there, but there's a coupon also. But look at how sad of a roast this is. This is just a steak. I want a big one. There's no big ones. Let's see, maybe they have bigger ones somewhere else. Well, these are just barely bigger. Yeah, that is sad. It's only a 3.5 pound roast.
What is it?
This is a ribeye. A little over 8 pounds of ribeye roast for $41.61. Pretty good deal, and I saved $41.95, so more than 50%. Now we're headed into Safeway. I believe what they have here is the New York roasts and New York steaks. The steaks were like $6.99 a pound, and the roasts were, I don't know, around $5. And I think it was limit 1 on the roasts, but no limit on the steaks, from what I can tell. All right, let's see. Top loin roast, $5.99. Oh, now these are big. Let's see. I don't see a limit on that one, but I think it said 1. All right, so I think it's... Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to do that. Let's see. Smaller. So that one's 5.5. This one's 8. Yeah. There we go. Okay, and these are the steaks for $6.99 a pound. Ooh, they're pretty thin. Can you hold this for me? Yeah, those are super thin. Wow. Oh well, they'll still be good. Oh, these ones are nice and thick. We'll do that then. Yeah, there is. All right, do that one. These ones are nicely marbled. Oh, this is another big one. I'll do that. Okay, I got 4 packs of the top loin strip steaks. 2 of them were like 1 inch or a little more thick, and that's what I prefer. But then they had these a little bit thinner ones. They look like they're maybe 3/4 of an inch, something like that. And I got 2 of those. Those ones have a lot of fat on them. So 2 of the thinner ones, they're pretty cheap. And then 2 of the thicker ones. So we will be stocked up for a little while. I am going to run by Winco. They don't have the same kind of ads the other stores do. So I thought I'd just run in and check, see if they had any amazing deals that I couldn't pass up. Select rib roasts are out. but choice rib roasts are $5.88 a pound for the first one, as long as you spend $25. That seems pretty doable. I guess we'll get one of those. We'll do this one. Ah. So this rib roast came out to be about $37. Pretty good deal. I think we got a good stock up on the meat. Very happy with that. Look at that meat haul. This is super exciting. I'm going to cook up some right now because, oh my gosh, it just sounds so good. And I exercised this morning, got the hike in. I need a nice good meal, like late lunch. I think, so I really want to try probably one of the rib roasts in my chef maker. I want to cut it really thick so it's almost a roast. It's like between a roast and a steak, and cook it in the chef maker and see how it turns out. All right, so this is half of one of the rib roasts, and I coated it in butter, and I'm gonna now coat it in, it's the Kinder's steak blend, and then we'll throw it into the chef maker. UPS guy here or something. Okay, this is as far as I got with packaging up these, like getting them cut and packaged, because I ran out of food saver bags. Super frustrating because I was just at 3 stores and I didn't even think of it. But I'm going to have to find a place in the fridge, which is going to be a challenge in and of itself, for these to wait until I can get some food saver bags. Done. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. All right, that is the inside of the prime rib. Would this be considered prime rib? I think it's just an extra thick steak, but I cut it in half like a prime rib. It looks so good. I'm gonna have to look in the fridge and see if I have any horseradish, because that would be perfect. This is my horseradish sauce. I threw together some prepared horseradish, some sour cream, and a little bit of mayo. Sounded pretty good. So I was considering running to the store to get food saver bags, but I was like, I just don't want to. I already was doing all my running around, and then I look on Amazon and I can get food saver bags, same day delivery for free with a $25 qualifying purchase. So I ordered them and they should be here within the next few hours. Isn't it amazing the times that we live in?
Mom, this is the same milk cream.
Moose sounds like moo.
Levi is learning about animal sounds on Google right now. And I am making some chicken strips for dinner. I have my protein breading. I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese in here because I thought that would be delicious. And I'm just gonna bread them and cook them in my air fryer.
This is a goose.
And there it is. So it's what time is it? I don't know. It's after 7. So I'm not going to get to this tonight, but I have this ready to work on tomorrow. I will get all of those steaks packaged up. It's not for you, Izzy. It's really not. That was very nice. I did not have to run to the store, and I have my food saver bags. I'm going to call it a night for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, Levi, you gotta do that.
What are you eating?